If you're looking for low-cost monitoring and DIY equipment for your security, Ring stands out. Ring offers unique product packages, no contracts, and inexpensive monthly monitoring for any budget. In this video, we're diving into everything Ring to see if it's the right system for you. Before we begin, ASecureLife is a dedicated team of security and tech experts who make smart home decisions easier for you. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Back to Ring. Ring is well known for its DIY cameras, and its alarm equipment is also DIY. You'll purchase the equipment you need up front and set it up on your own. You can buy Ring's equipment packages to save you some money, or you can spend a little more to create your own custom system. Packages range from about $200 to $420, and the individual pieces of equipment are cheaper than Ring's main competitor, Nest. Ring's equipment packages include basic equipment to get you started, but for additional upgrades like smoke alarms, you'll need to pay extra. Ring has both battery-powered and hardwired equipment, so if you want an outdoor camera but don't want to run power, it's got you covered. Just keep in mind as you're setting up all that battery-powered equipment that you'll need to regularly change or recharge those batteries. We don't have a preference, but it's just something to consider. Once everything is set up, you can monitor the equipment using the Ring app on your phone or through your Alexa devices. Other systems use a landline or cellular connection to communicate, but Ring equipment works mainly through your Wi-Fi. If you're having trouble with connection, you might need to increase your internet speed, or your devices may be too far apart. You can buy range extenders from Ring for about $25 if your signal just needs a boost. If you want mobile access, motion detection, or professional monitoring on your alarm devices, you'll have to pay. Ring basically has two pricing tiers. The first tier gives you mobile access to your alarm system, motion detection, and storage for your camera footage. For $3 a month per camera, you can store and share your footage up to 60 days. The Protect Plus plan costs $10 and gives you professional monitoring of all Ring alarm devices at your address. Plus, you get 10% off other Ring products you purchase. Without that monitoring feature, you have to respond to alerts that are sent to your smartphone. It's nice if you like full control, but if you're in a meeting where you can't pick up your phone, it leaves your home vulnerable. But here's where we wish Ring would go the extra mile. It doesn't monitor your cameras with any of its plans. That means you can rely on the pros if someone opens a door or breaks a window, but you're in charge of viewing footage from your cameras. Ring doesn't have monitoring contracts, which means you can leave the service at any time. But if you're in it for the long haul, they do have a cool option to pay for a year of monitoring upfront, which will save you about $20 in the long run. Whether or not you pay for monitoring, you can get a hold of Ring's customer service 24/7. Let's recap. Ring offers easy DIY installation, no contracts, inexpensive equipment, and a very cheap professional monitoring plan. But Ring doesn't monitor cameras, and you have to pay to store footage. Two big misses for a company made famous by its doorbell camera. We like Ring, and we hope they continue to grow, so we can see more security options like professional monitoring for cameras and glass break sensors. Still, we give a thumbs up to Ring's cheap plans and easy-to-use equipment for budgets, homes, and apartments of all sizes. Is Ring not right for you? Check out other services and brands we've reviewed over at ASecureLife.com, or you can watch our Best Home Security Systems video to learn more. Thanks for watching.